Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sydney. Today we are going to talk about 5 items that sold fast on Poshmark. If you are new here, I welcome you. I am a Poshmark seller. I've been selling on Poshmark for almost 6 years now, which is pretty crazy. I was a closet consultant at PoshBoss, and I really enjoy making videos about Poshmark and making money online. So welcome to my channel. In this video, like I said, we're going to talk about some items that sold recently for me, items that are selling currently right now and that sold very quickly so that you can make some money very quickly on these types of items. Before we get started, just a couple of housekeeping things. If you check out the description box down below, I have linked my main Facebook group, and then I've also created 2 brand new Facebook groups for you guys. One is for beginners. It's Poshmark and Reselling for beginners, and then the other one is Poshmark and Reselling full-time. So anybody is welcome to join either group. If you are a new seller and you would like to join, you are interested in going full-time, definitely join the full-time group. If you're someone who has been doing this a while and you would like to help other new sellers learn, definitely join the beginners group. All I ask is that you respect each other and, you know, kind of keep in mind that everybody is at a different point in their journey when they are doing this. So, you know, just keep that in mind when you're answering questions for people. But all the groups are linked down below. Great resources to learn from each other and to help you on your reselling journey. Okay, so let's get into this video. The first item that I want to talk about that sold very quickly after I listed it is this Athleta bra. Athleta is a very popular athleisure brand. It is owned by the same company who owns Old Navy, Banana Republic, those brands. It is a very, very good athletic brand. People really like this brand. It's great quality, not as high of a price point as Lululemon, but they do sell for a good amount. I sold this bra for $25. It is a little bit of an interesting story. I had it listed for about a week and it had gotten a lot of attention on Poshmark and it had a lot of likes on it. So I sent out some offers to likers. Nobody accepted the offer, and then the 24 hours had passed and someone commented that they missed the offer and that they were wondering if I would sell it to them at the offer price. So I was like, yeah, let me just make a new listing for you so that I can resend the offer to you. So I went into the listing and I marked it not for sale, and I used the new copy listing feature, which is amazing. If you have not used it yet, it is a wonderful thing. So I did copy listing and I made a new listing for it so that I could then share this item to her and send her the same offer with a shipping discount. So I made a new listing for it using the copy listing feature. I did not delete the old listing just because I knew there was always a chance that she would end up not buying it or not accepting my offer again. And I didn't want to lose the likers that I had on the other listing. So I did not delete the old listing. I kept it there. And I marked it not for sale, and I did copy listing and made a new listing for the bra. So I made the new listing, I shared it to her, and then I sent her the same offer that she had wanted from the offers to likers. And I sent it to her and a little while went by, and so I commented back on the bundle. I was like, hey, I resent the offer, and I didn't hear from her. And in that time, it's probably a few minutes, I got a liker on it, so I sent that person an offer, and then somebody came along and bought it full price. So, you know, the copy listing feature is great. I do use it. I don't delete the old listings, just, you know, I don't want to lose the people who have maybe used that listing to bookmark my closet. So I just kind of share my listings over it and move the not for sale listing to the bottom, and then I have a fresh listing. And so I think the fresh listing is very much what helped this sell quickly, even though it had not been listed that long and it had gotten a lot of activity on it. But it sold for $25. I was pretty happy with that. Super easy item to list, super easy to ship, and it sold very, very quickly. Okay, next item that sold very quickly is this Victoria's Secret nightgown slip whatever you want to call it. Victoria's Secret, I find a lot of it where I am. It's not, you know, the most high profit brand that you can buy, but it does sell consistently because people really love the brand. So I try to list some items in the morning and some items at night, just kind of to keep my closet active and keep my listings circulating in the newly listed items. So I listed this probably around lunchtime, right around the time that the first party starts. So I am on the East Coast, so the first party starts for us around noon. So I listed this item around noon and it sold within probably about 15 to 20 minutes. The girl sent me an offer on it, I accepted, sold, out the door, shipped it same day, 5 stars. Again, Victoria's Secret, not the highest profit items that you can pick up, but if you can get them at a low enough price, you can definitely, you know, get consistent sales from them. If you're interested in learning more about the brands and types of items that I source, I actually have 3 sourcing guides that I have written that I will link down below in the description box and in the comments. They are complete guides, lists. You can print them out, you can save them to your phone, you can take them with you when you are sourcing for items, and that can kind of be like a tangible hard copy guide to let you know what brands you need to be looking for, what items you need to be looking for. It's not just brands, it also goes into types of items, styles, things that I picked up, things that just sell really consistently for me. My Goodwill outlet guide is also linked down below. Those are kinds of items that I get at lower prices. Those are more bread and butter filler items. And it's called the Goodwill outlet guide, but it will work for any thrift store that has items, you know, priced at like $2 or less. The point is for these are items that I don't pay very much for, but that will sell consistently. So definitely check those out down below. They are linked in the description box and in the comments. Okay, next item that sold very quickly is this Harley Davidson tank top. It is a beautiful purple color. It has great graphics on it. I had no idea how much Harley Davidson stuff sold and how fast it sold until I was given a Harley Davidson shirt as a gift for Christmas one year. I love Harley Davidson, but it's just not really like my style. It just wasn't something I would wear. So I listed it on Poshmark and it sold the same day. So that was a shirt, the first Harley Davidson item I ever sold, and I was just completely blown away. So anytime I find Harley Davidson stuff, I definitely pick it up. This tank top sold within a day of me listing it. Again, you know, if it's got a lot of wear and stuff on it, definitely don't get it, but usually the stuff I find is in pretty good condition. Men's, women's, kids, anything Harley Davidson, definitely pick it up. But this tank top sold for $25. So the price points that you can get on Harley Davidson stuff are really, really good. I mean, definitely don't pay, you know, too much for it, but you can, it is one of the items that you can, you know, spend a little more because it is more likely to sell. Next item that sold fast on Poshmark are these Madewell shorts. These are just basic, plain Madewell high-waisted shorts. Madewell is a great brand. It is a sister brand of J. Crew. It has a very loyal, tried and true following. It is very expensive. It's a little pricey. You know, shorts are probably between $60 and $80 retail, just depending on what they are. But like I said, these were just plain high-waisted cuff shorts, and I listed them, I think, for $35, took a best offer of $25. So I was super happy with that. The person did leave me 4 stars on them, but didn't explain why, so not really sure. I feel like if you're gonna leave somebody 4 stars on something or less than 5 stars, I wish people would at least explain why. But either way, still got paid, still sold very quickly. If you find anything Madewell, definitely pick it up. It is a great brand that usually goes pretty fast. Next item is this Torrid graphic t-shirt. Torrid is a mall brand. It's a plus size mall brand, but it is a little bit on the higher end of mall brands. It is a little bit higher priced. But I found 3 of these graphic t-shirts at the thrift store. I had no idea how much attention they would get. I listed all 3 of them. I've sold 2 of them, but they just got so much attention, so many likes. So I did take a best offer of $15. I thought that was pretty reasonable for a used t-shirt, but great brand to pick up, sells very consistently for me. But yeah, I love finding t-shirts, graphic t-shirts, anything like that. Not just Torrid brand, people just really like t-shirts, and it's something that will sell consistently for you, and they usually sell pretty quickly. Okay, so that is my video on these 5 items that sold very quickly for me on Poshmark. I will be doing more of these what sold videos, so make sure that you are subscribed. If you like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below if you have any questions, any video requests, anything like that. And I will see you guys in the next video.